Did you know that in the United States, millions of people are quietly building extra income streams on the side? Not because they have to, but because they want more freedom, more security, and more control over their financial future. Welcome back to the Dollar Pilot, where we share real, practical money strategies that actually work in the US. In today's video, we're going to break down the best side hustles for beginners in 2026. Simple, realistic ways you can start earning extra money even if you have no experience, a full-time job, or a busy schedule. The truth is, relying on just one source of income is becoming riskier every year, especially with rising living costs. That's why side hustles are no longer optional for many Americans. They're becoming essential. The good news is, you don't need special skills or a big investment to start making money online. You just need the right strategy and consistency. Let's start with one of the easiest and fastest ways to get paid: delivery app jobs. Platforms like food or grocery delivery allow you to start earning almost immediately using your car or bike. While it may not seem glamorous, many beginners can realistically generate fast cash during evenings or weekends. Next, let's talk about freelancing online, which is one of the most scalable options available today. If you can write, design, or manage social media, there are platforms where clients are constantly looking for freelance services. Another powerful option is selling items online. Most people don't realize how much money is sitting in their homes in the form of unused electronics or furniture. If you're looking for something more consistent, consider part-time remote work. This sector has grown significantly in the US, offering flexible remote jobs like virtual assistants or data entry. Now, let's move into something with huge potential in 2026: content creation. Whether it's YouTube or blogging, this can eventually turn into a strong passive income stream through ads and affiliate marketing. Finally, another beginner-friendly option is reselling for profit, where you buy products at a lower price and sell them online. While it requires some research, it's a proven way to build a profitable side business. If you enjoy teaching or helping others, online tutoring is another great side hustle, especially in subjects like math, English, or test preparation. With various online platforms, you can teach students from anywhere, making it a flexible and rewarding way to earn. For those who prefer simple, hands-on tasks, local gig work like pet sitting, house cleaning, or yard work can also bring in steady extra income. Often, these jobs rely more on reliability and trust than specialized skills. Now, here's something crucial to understand. The best side hustle for you is not necessarily the one that makes the most money, but the one you can stick with consistently. Consistency in side hustles is what turns small earnings into meaningful income over time. Instead of trying everything at once, pick one side hustle for beginners that fits your schedule and start small. Even earning an extra $50 to $100 per week can make a huge difference in your monthly budget. As you begin, focus on building a routine and tracking your income. Reinvesting part of your earnings can create momentum and open doors to bigger opportunities. Another key strategy is time management. Most people fail not because the side hustle doesn't work, but because they don't create a clear schedule. Decide in advance when you will work on your side business, whether it's 1 hour in the evening or a few hours on weekends, and treat it like an important commitment. It's also vital to avoid common side hustle mistakes, like expecting instant results or jumping from one idea to another too quickly. Keep it simple, focus on action, and learn as you go. As your income grows, you can start thinking about scaling your side hustle. This might mean increasing your rates, taking on more clients, or even turning your project into a legitimate small business. But remember, you don't need to rush. Progressing step by step is what leads to long-term success. Another powerful mindset shift is seeing your side hustle not just as extra cash, but as a tool for financial freedom. The more multiple income streams you build, the less dependent you become on a single paycheck, giving you more control over your life decisions. Imagine being able to pay off debt faster, build a solid emergency fund, or invest for the future to reduce financial stress. That's exactly what a side hustle can help you achieve. And in 2026, with so many digital platforms available, there has never been a better time to start. So if you've been thinking about starting, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today with what you have. Choose one idea, take action, and stay consistent. Small steps taken daily lead to big financial results over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to follow the Dollar Pilot for more real, practical money strategies that actually work in the United States.